I do not like maths.
I like
You do not
science.
like maths.
Me
Why?
too. Because
But
we do
Umayma likes maths
experiments.
very much.
We do
Yes, no, Umayma?
experiments.
Okay.
Ma'am, we'll do experiment.
Even I like maths very much. How many of you all like maths? Umayma like.
I like very much.
I like. Okay. This is Musfira Rizwani. Even I like maths very much. Hi, Mana. Good morning.
Hi, ma'am.
Mustafa Kazib, can you please turn on your screen? Thank you. Musfira Rizwani, can you please turn on your screen? Everybody, please turn on your screen.
Vidhi ma'am is not here. Vidhi ma'am is not here.
No, ma'am. I believe today they have a science class.
Acha, okay. I'm so sorry. This is a science class. Oh, actually, you were talking about maths and I got confused actually.
No, ma'am. I thought everyone was just joining in. So
Okay.
Khadija just told that I don't like maths, so I was just
Oh,
continuing.
acha. Okay. No, not an issue. I'm so sorry. I was today confused actually. You please carry on, Malika
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Sure. Just yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, Malika ma'am, are we waiting for other kids to join in?
No, ma'am. I think so. It is already 11:05. So I will start now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Just a minute.
The kids who were asking, like, like when are we going to do the experiments? Okay, so Friday we'll do the experiments again, and I'm going to send all the ingredients on WhatsApp group. Okay, Ali, what are you showing me? What are you
Ma'am, don't
showing?
forget to send me the materials, the list.
I'll definitely send you. Malika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Ali, you were showing something. Ali, you're muted.
Ma'am, I'm just facing some issue. Just give me a minute. I'll just log off and log in again.
Okay, fine, not a problem. Ali, you're muted. Ali, you are muted. Please unmute yourself.
Usman is playing with ice. I just take two ice. It is so cold.
You're playing with ice, Ali? Are you playing with ice?
Usman is playing with ice.
Don't allow him to play with ice, Ali. He will catch cold.
There is full bottle. I am playing with the clay.
Khatija, I love you. Why, Because you said I love science. Because we have to do a lot of experiments. Yes, Khatija?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I also love science, ma'am.
Yes,
I love all
Mustafa.
the periods.
Yes, my Umayma
Okay,
loves
I'm so sorry to
all the
interrupt.
subjects. Yeah.
So
Please
can we
carry
start
on.
with the class, ma'am?
Yeah. Please carry on.
Okay. So can anybody just tell me what we did in the last class?
Circuit.
I know circuit.
Yes, we did a very wonderful thing Shazia ma'am did with us. That was a simple circuit, right? We all enjoyed to do. So Shazia ma'am will again WhatsApp what all
I have it still in my drawer.
That's very nice. And with that, Shazia ma'am will give us something new, exciting. Last time we did it with bulb. Now this time she'll give you all a surprise when she'll send you all, okay? And now, after circuit, what did we do?
We see the pin. It is going. The in the wire there is one pin, and the pin is not crossing wire, but the pin has attached with the wire. Why it is pin is made of steel.
That's very nice, Ali. Very good. So after the experiment, we saw what do we mean by conductors and insulators? Yes.
What are we doing? What are we
Manha, Musfira, Sayyad, please turn on your screen.
See the
turn on your screen. Ali, I'm so sorry. Wait for a minute. Everybody turn on your screen, please.
Head is aching a little bit.
Sorry.
My head is aching a little bit.
Okay, fine. So today I'll excuse you for that. Okay, rest everybody. Please, I request you all to turn on your screen because I want to see everybody. If I don't see all, I don't like. Then I feel that I'm not teaching anybody.
Ma'am, my screen is on.
Yes, Khadija, I can see you. Okay, so I'll just share that screen. Okay, can anybody tell me what are conductors? You all have to raise your hand, okay? And then I'll ask. Who can tell me what is conductors? Oh, okay. Zainab, can you please tell us what are conductors?
Conductors are that wires,
Okay, tell me.
the path
No, dear.
they
Okay,
can.
let somebody else try and we will revise that again. Okay, Zainab? Just pay attention, dear. Yes, Khadija, tell me what are conductors?
Conductors are, if some wires are broken, they put some steel on both of the wires and then the bulb glows.
Okay, this somewhat what you were somewhere near, right? Very good. Okay, anyone else who can tell me what is conductor? Okay, Umayma.
Conductors are that if we put something like steel and we put both wires joined to the steel, so the electricity will go and conductors allow the electricity to pass.
Very good, excellent, very nice. Okay, may I please know who is this unknown? Who is this unknown? Mustafa, you're not unknown. I know you very well. Yes or no? But you're smiling. Okay,
You all
so what
can't
is
see
that
my
steel?
name.
Okay, what
You
is that
can't see my
steel
name.
then? I'll just share the screen again. Give me a minute. And here it is. Okay. Can we see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
So the steel clip is kept in the between because the wires are broken, and then too we can see that the bulb is glowing. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is that steel? You know, it is a material. It is a type of material. So anything which is made up of metal, anything which is made up of metal is, and which allows the electricity to pass, they are known as conductor. For example, steel is a metal, copper is a metal, aluminium is a metal, and there are many more like that. So anything which is made up of metal or any material which allows the electricity to pass through. What I told you, what does pass through the wires? What is red color small little balls?
Electrons.
Very good. So if electrons pass through them easily, they are known
Electron.
as conductors. Whereas what are insulators?
I know.
Insulators are those materials which do not allow the electricity to pass, which do not allow the current to pass. For example, the plastic. Now the duck is not an insulator here. You all can see a duck in the picture, right?
Yes.
So the duck is not an insulator. What is an insulator? The duck is made up of plastic. So the plastic material, that material is known as insulator because it does not allow the electricity to pass. So there are few examples of insulator as well: plastic, rubber, wood, cloth, and many more such things which do not allow the electricity to pass through. So they are known as insulators. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mana.
I don't understand.
Okay, I'll just try to make it more simple. Give me a minute.
Conductors and insulators.
No, conductors are not insulators. I'll just try to explain it to you again, Manna. Just give me a minute, okay? Okay, we'll just see this diagram here. Can you see this yellow diagram here, Manha?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the yellow color thing is a path that is known as circuit. I told you all it is very important. If you don't have a path, can we cross the road? Can that boy cross the bridge?
No.
No. So this circuit is very, very important. Okay. So for a circuit, for a bulb to glow, it is very important that the circuit has to be complete. So this yellow color thing, which we known as which is known as a circuit, is complete in this diagram.
I can't hear you. Can you?
Yes, Manha.
I can't hear you properly.
I can't hear you, dear. Can you be little loud, please?
I can't hear you
You can't hear me. Okay, just give me a minute.
properly.
20, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Okay, now can you hear me? Yes, Manha, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Now, can you see this yellow color thing, a circuit diagram?
Yes.
That is what it is, a circuit. I told you, for a bulb to glow, what is important?
Circuit.
A circuit has to be complete.
Yes.
That is very important. If the circuit is not complete, your bulb will not glow. Okay.
Okay.
So this yellow color thing is a circuit that is complete. Okay. Now, can you all see this small little green color balls?
Yes.
What is that?
In,
Electrons, which I showed you all in a red color. Okay.
Yes.
They are electrons. Now, for example, you say the wire is broken in between. Can you all see I'm shaking that arrow?
Yes.
Yes.
For example, you say I broke the wire from there. So will the bulb will glow now?
No.
No. And now, for example, say I have a steel spoon with me, okay? You all have a spoon in a house?
Yes.
So, for example, the wire is broken and now the shops are also closed. I cannot go anywhere. So, I place a spoon in between that wire.
Take
The wire. So, if I place a spoon, the spoon is made up of steel, okay? So, will the bulb glow now?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, because steel is a material which is known as a conductor. It allows the heat, electricity to pass. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, Mana, did you understand?
Yes.
So in that case, if I keep anything which is made up of a steel, maybe a thin spoon, okay, very good. Who helped me by breaking this wire here? Okay, so if I place a spoon here, then I don't need to join the wire. Then automatically the electricity, the current is going to pass through and the bulb will glow, because steel is a conductor. It is a good conductor of electricity. It does allow the electricity to pass. Okay, Manha?
Steel.
Everybody understood?
Ma'am.
Yes.
It has big on height.
Now, for example, if I don't have a steel spoon in my house, and if I place a eraser, we all have eraser with us.
Yes.
So if I place a eraser, the bulb will not glow because that is not a conductor, that is an insulator. So where the electricity cannot.
Insulator means cloth.
Insulator means where the current will not pass through that object. Now, for example, I told you that if I keep a eraser, the bulb will not glow. That means the electricity will only pass till here. Now, because I have an eraser here, the electricity will not pass further. Yes, Mana?
Because we keep the eraser, the circuit will not join because it is not a steel.
Yes, very good, Mana. Because it is not a steel, that is why it is called as a insulator. So this rubber is an example of insulator. Okay.
Malika ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. Malika ma'am, can you maximize your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Just give me a minute. Ma'am, is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible, but half of your screen is like with a slide and half it is blank actually.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now?
Now just now make it maximize, Malika ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Just give me a minute, ma'am.
Umaima, can you help your Malika ma'am how to maximize the screen?
Ma'am, Golden Sparrow.
Yes, yes, Khatija. You can call me Shazia ma'am instead of Golden Sparrow. Tell me.
Okay. Which class is the last class?
You tell me. You have the timetable, Khatija.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. Is it visible now, ma'am?
Yes, it is visible. It is visible,
Ma'am?
but still it is not maximized.
Ma'am?
It's okay.
Okay.
This is fine at
Ma'am?
least. Yes.
Okay.
No maths. No maths. Yes, we have life skills, Khatija.
Okay. I'm so sorry, ma'am. Can I continue? Okay, everybody. Now, can you all see her in this picture?
Yes.
One side I have, one side we have all the examples of conductors, and on the other side we have all the examples of insulator. Now see, this is one of the best example what I can show you all here is, can you all see there are two arrows. One shows that it is an insulator and the other shows that it is a conductor. Now inside there is some wire. Can you all see they have marked that wire as conductor? Because that wire is made up of metal. That wire is made up of metal. And metal allows the current to pass through. Yes. That is why it is known as conductor. But they have coated that wire with a black color plastic something. Can you all see that?
Yes.
Yes. So that is why it is known as an insulator. Because plastic will not allow the current to pass through. Yes.
Yes.
So like that only I told
Yes.
you, any metal, any
To
material
protect.
made up of metal, for example, copper, aluminium, steel, or any metal that is known as a conductor. That is known as a
Conductor.
but plastic, cloth, a piece of wood, or a rubber, glass, they will not allow the electricity to pass through. So they are known as insulators. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody clear with what is insulator and what is?
Yes.
Yes. Now this is a small classification of conductors and insulators. So see the first point. First point tells us that conductors allow the current to pass. Correct? Yes. Conductors allow the current to pass. Okay.
Okay.
And insulators do not allow the current to pass.
Like
Yes. Conductors. Second point is it has high conductivity. High conductivity means for now we'll just understand that because they allow the current to pass because it has high conductivity. It is high conductivity. That is why the electrons can pass through the conductors. And insulators have low conductivity. Conductors are also known as good conductors of electricity.
and bad conductors.
Yes, Mustafa.
Good conductors and bad conductors.
Conductors.
Bad conductors are plastic like with
Yes, very good. Bad conductors are only known as insulators. So bad conductors can be plastic, wood, glass, etc. because they do not allow the electricity to pass. Whereas metal, they are good conductors of electricity.
And we will attach to the battery. The pin will so hot we will get
Yes. Now, see, there are again few more examples of insulators and conductors here. Now, the first thing is a glass. So, glass is an insulator because it will not allow the electricity to pass.
Yes.
Diagram which I showed you all, you know, the paper, the wire is broken and you have a steel clip in between.
Yes.
Yes. So now you think if you place a glass there, will the electricity pass?
No.
No. Yes, Musfira Rizwani, will the electricity pass?
No.
So will the bulb glow?
No.
No. Now this spoon is made up of plastic. This spoon is made up of.
Plastic.
Now will the bulb glow if I place it in between that wire?
No.
No.
Yes, Umar, please turn on your screen. Now I will ask one by one, okay? Now this is a copper. Khadija, will the bulb glow if I place it in between the broken wire?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Thank you. Musfira, this is a ceramic cup which is somewhat made up of so will the bulb glow if I place it in between the broken wire?
How our pot is make?
Yes.
This can pass.
Yes.
Past.
Okay, I think so she's not there around. Yes, Zainab wants to say something. Okay, Zainab, tell us if I place this cup in between that wire, will the bulb glow?
No.
No, because it is an insulator. Very good.
No.
Next, Manha. Manha, if I place this brass, this is a metal. This is a kind of metal. If I place this brass between the broken wire, will the bulb glow?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Next, Umaima, if I place this paper in
Mama,
between the broken wire, if I place this, very good. Thank you, Umaima. Mustafa, if I place this gold, for example, I have a pair of a bangle with me. Maybe I have a bangle,
Yes.
a gold bangle, and I place that between the broken wire. Will the bulb glow?
No. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Don't get confused, please. Ali, Ali, if I place this wooden spoon in between the, will the bulb glow? No. Thank you. Musfira Sayyad,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. If I place this glove, this is used during the oven, right? When you place
Yes.
something inside the oven, so will
No.
that?
No, it will not. No.
Okay, thank you. If I place this aluminium, can you see this aluminium? If I place it in between the broken wire, will the bulb glow?
Yes.
Yes.
Umar, can you please turn on your screen, Umar? Umar, Khadija, Kazi, everybody, I want your screen to be on. So, Umar, now if I place this silver in between the, will the bulb glow?
Yes. Yes.
Umar, I want to hear you also.
Yes. Where? What?
This is a silver. Can you see that?
Yes.
So if I place this in between that broken wire, will the bulb glow?
No.
Why?
It will. Yes.
Why? If it is yes, then why?
Where is the wire?
You remember we saw that diagram where I had kept a plastic, where the steel clip was
Yes.
there.
Yes.
So in that steel clip's place, if I place this silver, will the bulb? the bulb glow?
Because this is silver, so it will what
76
Yes, it will glow because it is a type of metal. Okay, Umar?
yes, the metal.
That is why I tell you, please
Ma'am,
keep
what
your
is
screen
that?
on,
All
Umar.
metals are gutter.
26 ki nahiya.
Between the wire, because it is a conductor, the bulb will glow. Okay,
Yes.
this side you have a rubber. For example, you have a eraser. So if you place your eraser, I give you an example of eraser always. So will your bulb glow?
No.
Yes,
Steel.
yes, no.
It
It will not glow. And foam is something you have it in your bed as well when you all sleep. So that is also an insulator. It will not allow the current to pass.
yes.
Therefore, the
Not
bulb
glow.
will not glow. And on the
Yes.
other side, we are left with steel and iron. They both are metals and they are a conductor. They are a good conductor
Yes.
of electricity. So they will allow the current to pass through. Do a activity. Okay. Can you please erase all the crosses and all the
1 minute.
Yes, please, we'll wait. And nobody is going off screen, okay? Umar, please, Umar.
Nahi
Now all this Mushfira has done.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, can you all see your, I have put all the materials here, okay? Now, next to the materials, you have a block.
What?
You have to tell me whether they are conductors or if they are conductors, we will write a capital C here. And if it is an insulator, we will write capital I. Okay?
Are you science teacher? Ma'am, are you a science teacher?
Yes,
It's
give me a
written
minute.
science conductor insulator.
Yes. Now, first thing you have a towel. A towel is made up of cotton cloth. So, is it a conductor or an insulator? Ali, what will I write here? C or I?
Insulator.
I will ask one by
Insulator.
one. Okay, I will ask one by one. Now, next, Khadija. Number 2 is a rubber. A tire is made up of rubber. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So, will I write I or C here?
I.
Yes, very good. Now next, Umayma. This is a scissor. Scissor is made up of what, Umayma?
Steel.
Steel. So will I write C or I over here?
Steel.
Thank you. Mustafa Kazi. Which
Yes.
object is on number 4?
Glass.
A glass is made up of what?
Glass.
It is made up of glass only. This glass is made up of a glass, okay?
Yes.
So is
You
it a
should write.
conductor or an insulator?
I should write.
Yes, please write I then. For example, think, okay? Just listen to me carefully. Just think, if this glass is made up of steel, then what we will write in the box, C or I?
Me.
Yes, who is that? Manha?
Yes.
Very good, Manha. In that case, the fifth one, Manha, can you tell us? Is that ball made of, will we write I or C next to the ball?
I.
I, very good. Zainab, number 6, can you see these wires, Zainab? What will you write in that box, I or C?
C.
Very good. Number 7, Khadija. What we will write, I or C?
C.
Khadija, I want to hear it from you.
Okay. C. C.
Okay, C. Thank you. Okay, now eighth one. Umar, where is Umar gone?
I am here.
Yes. I can't. Yes.
I. This
Yes,
is a
Umar.
baseball bat.
Made up of what? It is made up of a wood. So will we write I or C here? Who is writing C here? Who is this naughty boy or girl here? Writing C here. It is I. Now this is what something. It is a eraser. Yes, I will write I. And last we have a balloon. Okay. Now I am also going to share this worksheet in your Google Classroom after we finish the class today. So without taking
Ma'am,
anybody's
the
help.
balloon will pop because of the electricity.
Yes.
And
So-
the ball also will pop.
Yes, very good, Mustafa. So, when I share this worksheet with y'all in the Google Classroom after this class today, y'all have to solve it by yourself without taking anybody's help in the house, okay? Will y'all do that? Promise me?
Yes.
No cheating, okay?
No cheating.
Yes. So, with this, we complete the chapter electricity, okay? Now, we'll just do a quick revision of all the things. Yes, Umaima? Wow, Umaima is dancing because the chapter is over. How nice. So let us just take a quick recap of all what we have done from the starting. Okay? Okay. Now tell me, who is this?
Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison.
Yes.
Thomas
And what is
Edison.
his famous invention I told you?
The lights invention.
Bulb.
Bulb.
Okay.
Alva Edison.
Okay.
He was his creation was bulb.
And okay, the flow of
His
electric
most
charge
famous one
constitutes
was the
electric current, I told you. So what was that electric charge which
electrons.
electrons. Very good. So
Electrons.
electrons flow inside here. And how it is measured?
A.
By a capital A, and the full form is ampere. What is the full form? Umar, please turn on your screen, Umar.
SI unit ampere.
The unit is ampere. No, but I could not see you, no. And now this is a diagram of electric circuit. Now what is this green
Electric circuit.
color wire?
That's the wire, and then
That is
the
only a
is
circuit.
complete.
That is a, I told you, circuit is like what? It is like a path. A circuit is like a, if it is complete, then only the bulb is going to
Glow.
wow, that's very nice. Who is drawing this balls in between?
That is
Let me guess, it is Umaima. Very nice. Thank you very much, Umaima. That may help them to understand. Yes. So if the circuit is compared to path, circuit is somewhat like a path. So very important for a bulb to glow is what I told you. The circuit has to be complete. Remember this, everybody. The circuit has to be complete. That is the very, very important thing. And what is this? This is a battery. This is a switch. This is a bulb. And the green color and the pink color part which we have connected. That is a circuit. Okay.
And that red color,
They are electrons. Very good, Manha. And now there are few things which do run on main electricity, as well as there are few things which can run for few hours without electricity. For example, a mobile phone, if you completely charge it, then it does not need main electricity to run. But if it, in the case of iron, if you all want to go to school and if it is your bad day, for example, that the electricity is not there, so will you be able to iron your?
No, we can't.
No. So iron needs main electricity. Okay.
Okay.
Next we have washing machine and the television. Do they need main electricity or they can run on batteries?
They need main electricity. Main
That's very nice.
electricity.
Same for a blender, a mixer grinder. Yes.
Main electricity.
Main electricity. So we had also solved this worksheet. A circuit is a
Electric
Path.
is the path.
circuit is a path that allows
Electricity.
electricity to pass through. Very good. Okay. So I told you a circuit is like a path. So a circuit is a path that allows the electricity to pass through. If the circuit is complete, the electricity will pass through. Okay. Then electricity always travels from
Negative to positive.
negative to positive. Very good, Muspira. When you all did the experiment with Shazia ma'am, you remember two loops? One, yes.
I did the assignment which he told to draw.
Check that. Yes, Zainab. Thank you very much. I'll check that. Okay.
Yes.
Now, next thing is, you all remember that experiment which we did with Shazia ma'am?
Yes.
So Shazia ma'am was showing us two loops. On the one side, it was having plus sign, and the other side, it was having minus sign.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
in the electricity always travels from the negative pole to the positive terminal. Okay, remember this. The next circuit will only work if it is.
What?
I told you a bulb will only glow. The circuit will only work if it is
Complete.
if only Manha is answering. Why? What happened to others? They don't know.
It will be complete.
A circuit will only work if it is complete. Okay.
Otherwise, the electricity won't flow.
Yes, otherwise the bulb is going to not glow. And the last thing is, this means it must make a complete
Loop.
a loop. Very good, Umayma. Otherwise, the electrical energy will not
Flow.
flow.
If the red ball, if electrons don't work, so the light and everything will also not work.
Yes, Zainab, if the circuit is not complete, if the path is not complete, the electrons will not get placed to move properly. And if they do not have a complete circuit to move, definitely they will not reach the bulb then, yes? And if they do not reach the bulb, then the bulb is going to not blow. Okay? Now I gave you all one example. You all remember, for example, you all go out with your parents, okay? So when you all come, when you all go, you all definitely put off the light and the fan, right? So when you come back, switch on and automatically everything starts working, yes or no?
Yes.
That means when you all put the switch off, in that part.
It means saving electricity.
Yes, that is also a very good point. So you have to save well. But when you put the switch off, the path gets broke for some time. There is an interval in the path. That is why the electrons are in their own place. They do not for the bulb and the light is put off. They go off. But when you come and you put the switch on, automatically the wire is again connected and the circuit is complete. Okay. That is how your bulb also glows and your fan also starts working. So I believe that we all are thorough with electricity chapter now. We know that what all things are necessary for the bulb to glow. Yes or no?
Yes.
We also know what are conductors and insulators.
Yes.
Yes.
Insulator means stop, and the conductor means go. Bad conductors. Good conductors and bad conductors.
Yes, Zainab. Yes, Umar, I also heard you. So we all know what are insulators and conductors now. Everybody, yes?
Insulator means cloth and conductor means metal or steel.
Very good. So we end up with this chapter and also with today's session. I will tell you all which is the next chapter in when we meet for another class. Now we will meet for this on Friday. Shazia ma'am will again do an interesting experiment with you all. Okay.
Okay.
Now we meet on Wednesday for maths class. Yes, Umayma, Mustafa.
Bye-bye.
This time I'll bring home for a story. Okay. Yes.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
We'll wind up the session today here. And I will share some worksheet on the Google slide. Please do visit Google slide and you all have to complete this there, okay?
Yes.
And I told you you all have to try to do it by yourself. No cheating, okay? Promise me.
Promise.
If in case after trying you all don't know, then you all can take your elders' help, okay?
Yes.
Okay, children. So we wind up the session. Take care. Bye-bye. And I'll see you all on Wednesday, okay?
Bye-bye.
We don't know the spelling, they can help.
Yes, if y'all first you try by yourself, okay, Mana? If in case you think no, I'm not able to do, then y'all can take your elders' help, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye bye, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Life skill. I'm playing with the clay. Ma'am, Shazia ma'am, is that you have written on chat Musfira Sayyad? Just do it one time because there is written S-A, Sa. Shazia ma'am,
Yes.
Shazia,
Yes.
you
Can I end the meet?
now on the chat, ma'am, Ma'am, so here you have written on chat, Muspira Sa. Just do it one time.
What she did?
No,
Ah.
Muspira Sa. Chat, no.
She has written Musfira says, I think so, something like that. Said or says.
No, Muspira Sa. Muspira Sa. Join to it and
Okay.
to
Now be
One
ready
time.
for your next class. I'm going to end the meet. Okay.
next class?
You know it very well.
Just do it one time. It is written.
Okay, so I'm
What
going
is
to end the meet,
next
okay,
class?
for everyone. Next class is life skills, okay? Chalo, bye-bye, everyone.
Pupa is coming.
We'll see. We'll discuss in the next class.
That you didn't answer my question. I have written, ma'am, my head is paining a lot. My head is aching a lot.
Okay, so this life skill class, you can just observe, right? You don't have to do anything, Musfira, okay? You can just come in the class, you can just observe, okay? Chalo, bye-bye, everyone. And we'll meet in the next
And
class.
Dowser is going to come. Dowser is going to come.
Yes, Khatija is very excited.
Ma'am, I think Alfia, ma'am.
No, not Alfia, ma'am. It's Dawood uncle's class. Dawood sir's class, okay? Chalo, bye, everyone.